world. In China, Perfect leads the manufacture of electric flat cars. The people of Perfect have been working hard in the spirit of winning through hard work. After years of our meeting innovation and hard work, Perfect Handling Equipment Company Limited has developed into an innovative high-tech enterprise specializing in the production of electric flat car equipment integrating R&D, design, production, sales, and service. Perfect has successfully built a modern management team with more than 100 employees, including 10 senior engineers, 15 engineers, and 10 technicians. Perfect continues to innovate in technology, introduce advanced ERP software management ideas and concepts. Perfect leads the development of the handling industry and has become a leading handling equipment manufacturer in China and even the world. With the spirit of continuous self-improvement and struggle, Perfect has shown its full enthusiasm and high morale to the world, and has become one of the preferred suppliers of handling equipment. Today, the company produces more than 80 products such as electric flat cars, rear flat cars, little cars, trackless electric flat cars, crane parts, AGV, re-inspection cars, etc. With Perfect Information Network Technology Progress Award and other honorary titles. At present, the company is closely focusing on the national intelligent equipment manufacturing and One Belt, One Road strategy, so that its products are spread all over the country and exported to dozens of countries and regions, including the United States, Germany, Thailand, the Netherlands, South Africa, Syria, Turkey, and Nepal. It has won a high international reputation. Area of fierce competition in the machinery industry, Perfect continues to carry out technological innovation and product development in the spirit of excellence in product quality. The company has strong design and R&D team with dozens of invention patents and innovations to ensure the high quality, high stability, high creation rate and advanced nature of the equipment. Seeking truth, refinement, and innovation are the common goals of the company's R&D personnel. In order to enhance market competitiveness, the company vigorously develops a complete set of product technologies marketed by independent intellectual property rights and uses standardization and modularization for full guidance and production tracking. At the same time, the company has more and more core technologies with the strong support of relevant institutions of higher learning and professional service teams at home and abroad. Development and growth of the company today is inseparable from a team of dedicated talents. With the combination of excellent human resources and advanced management system, Perfect Handling has achieved a world brand of customized handling equipment. Integrity, efficiency, innovation, and win-win together constitute Perfect's core values.
我们始终追逐着最新的行业技术动态，只为带给客户以超乎期待的产品。
我们销售部的理念是没有拿不下的订单，只有不够专业的销售。我们的理念是认真服务好每一位客户。
感谢公司给了我们这样一个创造平台，可以让我们的技能得以施展，创造出高质量产品服务世界。
我们不放过任何一个瑕疵，与帕菲特一起成长，我们与有荣焉。
帕菲特的未来在于品质，在于创新，这是我们走向世界的基石。
Perfect is a people-oriented and outstanding enterprise. This is an enterprise that strives hard and innovates constantly, rely on excellent R&D and production advantages. Perfect will realize the diversification of products, the cutting-edge technology, and the quality of service. Perfect. Make the handling easier. This is your choice perfect handling equipment.